This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. In a fantastic upper north side location sits this 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story home with wonderful natural woodwork. Brand new sidewalk to the front porch guides you into the front entry with original vintage tiles and natural wood doors. The living room opens up to the backyard with French doors and boasts wood-burning fireplace. There is a sunroom just off the living room that would make a great playroom, office or plant room. Formal dining room and eat-in kitchen with oak cabinets. All 4 bedrooms are on the second level for convenience. Laundry chute with 2 access points. Basement is a straight wall with finished room and potential for family room to be finished in the future. The backyard is fenced with a large deck and plenty of room to play. Fresh exterior paint and landscaping. Roof shingles and rubber roof new 4 years ago. Water heater new 2016. Updated 100 amp electrical box. The garage is currently being used as a shed but could be accessible again for a garage. Off-street parking pad. For more information,